Good morning, students. How are you? In previous class, what are we discussed? We discussed the exercise. Is it? Exercise is discussed. That is what the exercise 1.3. Have you done your homework? Okay. Good. Any doubt from that section? Okay. Can we start today's lesson? Are happy? In current situation, what is very bad? Is it? Yes. So stay safe, stay home, study well. Okay. Then today we are discussing about division of integers. What? Division of integers. Division of integers. That is, today we starting from our lesson, that is division of integers. We know that, what we know that? We know that 3 into 5, what is the answer? Anyone can say? 3 into 5, what is the answer? 3 into 5 means 15. 3 into 5 means 15. Is it? Yes. That is 3 is a integer and 5 is also a integer. And we know negative 3 into 5. Negative 3 into 5, what is the answer? That is minus 15. That is minus 15. Is it? Yes. That is minus 3 into 5 equal to negative 15. Here negative 3 is a negative integer and 5 is a positive integer. We already know when we multiply a negative integer into a positive integer, the product is also negative. Is it? Yes. This is multiplication. We want to know division. That is, division is 15 divided 5. What we get? 15 divided by 5. That is, we get 3. We get 3. Is it? Yes. That is 15 divided by 5. We get 3. Is it? Also 15 divided by 3. Here 15 divided by 5. We get 3. And 15 divided by 3. We get 5. We get 5. Is it? Yes. And one more example. For one more example, what? 4 into 3. 4 into 3. What is the answer? 4 into 3. 4 into 3 means we get 12. We get 12. Is it? Yes. That is 12 divided by 4. 12 division 4. What we get? What we get? We get 3. We get 3. That is, when we 4 into 3, we get 12. And 12 divided by 4, we get 3. We get 3. Is it? Yes. And next is 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. We get answer is 4. We get the answer is 4. 12 divided by 3 is we get answer is 4. And 12 divided by 4 we get 3. Is it? Yes. Any doubt? Okay. Here we can see minus or negative 3 into 5. Negative 3 into 5 we get negative 15. That is negative 15 divided by 5. What we get? What we get? Negative 3. Negative 3. Here we can understand or we can see that here negative 15 is a negative integer, 5 is a positive integer. Then when we divide a negative integer by a positive integer, we get answer is what we get? The answer is also a negative integer. Here 15 is negative integer divided by positive integer 5. Then we get the answer negative 3. Negative 3 is a negative integer. Negative 3 is a negative integer. One more time I repeat. Negative 15 divided by 5. We get answer is negative 3. Negative 15 is a negative integer and 5 is a positive integer. When we divide, we get what we get? We get also a negative integer. Answer is negative integer. The next case is negative 15 divided by negative 3. Divided by negative 3. What we get? We get 5. We get 5. That is, here is also a property, or we can understand what we can understand. We understand negative 15 divided by negative 3. Here negative 15 is a negative integer and negative 3 also a negative integer. When we divide two negative integers, we get answer as positive integer. We get answer as positive integer. Any doubt? Can you understand? That is the property. And for another examples, or in your page number 22, there is a table. We want to complete that. Can we start? Okay. That is 2 into negative 6 equal to what we get? 2 into negative 6. We get negative 12. We get negative 12. Then and we can write negative 12 divided by 6. What we get? Negative 6. Negative 12 divided by negative 6. We get 2. We get 2. And also negative 12 divided by 2. We get answer is negative 6. Negative 6. And next is what? Negative 4 into 5. Negative 4 into 5. We get answer is negative 20. Negative 20. That is negative 20 divided by negative 4. We get the answer 5. We get the answer 5. And next, negative 20 divided by 5, we get negative 4. We get the answer negative 4. Is it? And next one is what? Next one? Negative 8 into negative 9. We get answer is what? We get answer 72. We get the answer as 72. Is it? Is it correct? Yes. That is 72 divided by negative 8. 72 divided by negative 8. We get the answer is negative 9. We get the answer is negative 9. Is it? Is it correct? Yes. 72 divided by negative 8, we get negative 9. And 72 divided by negative 9, we get answer is negative 8. Negative 8. We get the answer is negative 8. And following like this, can you complete the table? Can you complete the table? Yes, that is your homework. Write in your notebook and complete the table. Page number is 22 and the question is observe the following and complete it. Is it? Okay, next one is we want to find first question is what? Negative 100 divided by 5. Negative 100 divided by 5. We want to find negative 100 by 5. First we observe the question. When we get a question, just read the question and observe the integers. Here when we seeing this question, here negative 100 is a negative integer and 5 is a positive integer. Then our answer is what? Our answer is must a negative. Answer is must a negative, and that is what we get. What we get? We get that is 100 division 5. Okay, that is 2 0 0. Is it? Remainder is 0 and quotient is 20. Is it? Here we take 100. That is in our question negative 100. So answer is negative 20. Answer is negative 20. And next what? Next one is negative second one. Second try this or B path is, what is B path? Negative 81 division 9. Negative 81 division 9. Here also see 81 is a negative integer and 9 is a positive integer. Is it? Yes. That is, we can find the answer is 9 into 9, we get 81. We get 81. That is, answer is, what is the answer? Negative 9. Here I take negative, here I take positive, but our question is negative, so must we get the answer is negative. Is it? Is it? Okay. And third one is, what is third one? Third one is negative 75 by 5. Negative 75 by 5. And what? Negative 75 by 5. What is the answer? We get the answer as must a negative integer. Must a negative integer. That is 5. Can we start? Okay. Here 7. One time. This 2. 5. 5 into 5. 5 into 5. 25. That is, the answer is, what is the answer? Answer is negative 50. Here 50. But our answer, correct answer is negative 50 because here negative 75. Here I take positive 75. So put a negative sign because one integer is negative and one integer is positive. When we dividing a negative integer by a positive integer, then we get a negative integer. That is the answer. Is it? Yes. And next one is negative 32 divided by 2. These are small questions. Negative 32 divided by 2. Is it? What is the answer? Answer is, we get 1, 2, 12, 6 into 2, 12. That is, our answer is negative 16. Our answer is negative 16. Negative 32 divided by 2, we get negative 16. Negative 16. And some properties are next. Some properties of division. That is what? Here 72 divided by negative 8. What we get? Negative 9. Negative 9. And minus 72 divided by 8. What we get? What we get? Here also we get negative 9. Here also we get negative 9. Is it? 9 into 8. 9 into 8 what we get? 9 into 8 we get 72. Is it? Yes. And 72 divided by minus 9. What we get? Minus 8. Minus 8. Here we take as A. Here we take as B. Here is A and here is negative B. Here negative A, here B. Is it? That is, for generally we can say, what we can say for generally, so see that here 72 consider as A, that is positive A. Here 8 minus 8, here 8 consider as B, or negative 8 means negative B. Here the signs are changing, that is 72, negative 72. Here 72, here negative 72. So here is negative A and here is positive B. Is it? Here is positive B. But our answer is same. Is it? Here is negative 9 and also here is also negative 9. Is it? Yes. That is, we can generally say that, what we can generally say that A divided by negative B equal to negative A divided by B equal to, these are same. That is, A divided by negative B equal to negative A divided by B. Is it? Yes. For generally we can say A divided by negative B is equal to negative A divided by B. This is our first property. Here B is not equal to 0. Here B is not equal to 0. Why here B is not equal to 0? Because division of 0 is not defined. Anyone can say, or anyone can find 7 divided by 0. 7 divided by 0, that is not defined. That is not defined. That is our second property, that is A divided by 0 is not defined. Is not defined. And 0 divided by 7, what is the answer? 0 divided by 7, what is the answer? Answer is 0. Answer is 0. 0 divided by 8, what is the answer? 0. Answer is 0. That is, 0 divided by 7 equal to 0 and 0 divided by 8 is equal to 0 and 0 divided by negative 6. 0 divided by negative 6, what is the answer? 0. What is the answer? 0. For generally, what we can say? For generally we can say A divided by 0 is not defined, and 0 by A or 0 divided by A, 0 divided by A equal to 0. 0 divided by A equal to 0. A means any integer. A means any integer. And next one is, next property is negative 15 divided by negative 5. That is, what we get? Negative 15 divided by negative 5. We get the answer is 3. Is it? Is it? S, because here negative 15 is a negative integer and 5 is or negative 5 is also a negative integer. That is negative 15 is a negative integer. Here negative 5 is also a negative integer. When we divide in two negative integers, we get positive integer. 3 is a positive integer. In the case of 15 divided by 5, 15 divided by 5, what we get? We get the answer is 3. We get the answer is 3. Is it? Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes. And what? Next for another one. Negative 12 divided by negative 4. Negative 12 divided by negative 4. What may be the answer? What is the answer? Answer is 3. Answer is 3. Is it? Is it? Yes. And for another one, we can take another one. Another one means negative 16 divided by negative 4. Negative 4, we get 4. We get the answer is 4. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, next is 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4. What is the answer? 4. 16 divided by 4. Here is, when we considering as 15 as A, 5 as B, that is A divided by B, we get an answer. Is it? Yes. Here what is negative A and here what is negative B? We get an answer. That is, the answer are same. Answer are same. That is, here we can see here 16 consider as A. When we consider as 16 as A and 4 as B, then we get what we get? We get the answer as 4. And negative A divided by negative B, then we get the same answer. Then we get the same answer. Is it? That is, A divided by B equal to negative A divided by negative B. A divided by B equal to A divided by B equal to negative A divided by negative B. This is the next property. This is the next property. That is, A divided by B equal to negative A divided by negative A. That is, we get the same answer. Any doubt? All are happy? Can you follow? Okay. Next one is, there is some try these questions. We can start. That is, first one is negative 36 divided by negative 4. Negative 36 divided by negative 4. What we get? What is the answer? What is the answer? The answer is what? Answer is 9. Is it? Answer is 9. Is it? Any doubt? That is, negative 36 divided by negative 4, that is 9. We are doing our second try this, page number 23. And next one is what? Negative 201 divided by negative 3. Divided by negative 3. What is the answer? Answer is what is the answer? Answer is 67. Positive 67. Here negative 36 divided by negative 4 we get 9. 9 is positive. Here 36 and 4 are negative digits. when we dividing two negative integers, we get a positive integer. Answer is positive integer. Okay, here negative 201, sorry, not 21, 201, negative 201 divided by negative 3, we get 67. We get 67. Is it? Yes. And next one is homework. C question is homework. And we above try this, and first in your page number 23, try this. First one is, what is the first one? The second try this. The third question or C question is your homework. Please write your homework in your notebook and complete the homework and find the solution. Okay. And first try this is find a part is what 125 divided by negative 25. Negative 25. What is the answer? What is the answer? Answer is what? We can write negative 25 divided by 25. Is it? Here a divided by negative b also equal to negative a divided by b. Our first property. Is it? Yes. So we can what we can, or we can take negative as common. Is it? That is, what is the answer? Answer is what? Answer is 5. Answer is 5. Answer is 5. Any doubt? Okay. And next one is, what is next? What is the next? 18 divided by negative 5. Negative 5. What is the answer? We can take negative. That is what we get. What we get? What is the answer? Anyone can say? Anyone can say? What is the answer? Answer is negative 16. Is it? Yes, negative 16. In otherwise, when we dividing negative 36 dividing by negative 4, negative 36 divided by negative 4 is equal to 36 divided by 4. Here 36 and 4 are also negative integers. So this is equal to this one. That is, we write a negative a divided by negative b equal to a divided by b. Is it? We already studied the property. Is it? Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. And next one another try this is what is another try this is 64 divided by negative 16. Negative 16. What is, and that is answer is what is the answer? What is the answer? Anyone can say? Can you understand? Okay. What is the answer? Negative is 64 divided by 16. Answer is negative 4. Negative 4. Is it? Any doubt? Okay. Next is some property, and another some properties is negative 8 divided by negative 4, we get 2. We get 2. And negative 4 divided by negative 8. What is the answer? What is the answer? This is an integer. Integer is denoted by I. This is a result is an integer. When we divide negative 8 by negative 4, we get the answer as positive or negative, we get the integer. Is it? When we dividing negative 4 by negative 8, we get negative 4 by negative 8, that is 4 by 8. 4 by 8. Here this is a integer. Is a integer? No. Result is not an integer. Result is not an integer. This is 2 is an integer. Okay. Next one is what is next one? Next one is what is the next one? Next one is what? Negative 8 by 3. Negative 8 divided by 3. Negative 8 divided by 3. What is negative 8 by 3? Negative 8 by 3. Negative 8 by 3. And what is next one? What is the next one? Next one is what is the result? Result is not an integer. Result is not an integer. Result is not an integer. Is it? Yes. Result is not an integer. And next one is 3 divided by negative 8. 3 divided by negative 8. 3 divided by negative 8. What is the answer? 3 by negative 8. 3 by negative 8. This is also equal to negative 3 by 8. Result is not an integer. Result is not an integer. Result is not an integer. Is it? Yes. Result is not an integer. And next one is here. Then we complete the table. And next one properties. We know negative 8 by negative 4. We get answer is 2. We get the answer is 2. Is it? Yes. And here, when we divide negative 4 by negative 8, we get negative 4 by 8. That is A divided by B not equal to B divided by A. Not equal to B divided by A. Is it? When we change the position of integers, then there is not equal. When we change the position of sign, that are equal. That is negative A divided by B equal to A divided by negative B. This is equal. That is negative A divided by B equal to A divided by negative B. That is equal. And here is the property. And one more thing is negative 8 divided by 1. What we get? We get negative 8. And negative 7 divided by 1, we get negative 7. That is A divided by 1, we get A. When we divided by 1, we get the same answer, that is same number, that is negative 8 divided by 1 equal to negative 8. Negative 7 divided by 1, we get negative 7. A divided by 1, we get A. When we divide it by 1, we get the same number. That is A divided by 1 equal to A. A divided by 1 equal to A. And next one is what? Negative 8 divided by negative 1. Negative 8 divided by negative 1, we get 8. What is the answer? We get 8. 11 divided by negative 1, what we get? We get negative 11. Is it? Is it? And 13 divided by negative 1, we get what we get? Negative 13. Negative 13. And next one is what? Next one is negative 25 divided by negative 1, we get 25. We get 25. Is it? Yes. Then what is we can find? We can say that any integer is divided by negative 1 does not give the same integer. When we divide it by negative 1, we didn't get the same integer. In previous we divide 8 divided by 1, we get negative 8. Negative 7 divided by 1, we get negative 7. Following like this, a divided by 1, we get a. That is, when we divide it by 1, we get the same integer. We get the same integer or same number. But when we divide it by negative 1, we didn't get the same integer. We didn't get the same integer. Here we can see negative 8 divided by 1 equal to negative 8. Negative 8 divided by negative 1, we get 8. Here is the integer is or number is negative 8. But we get 8. We get 8. And here negative 8 is divided by 1, we get negative 8. These are same. These are same. This is the property, and today we are discussing about division of integers. We discussed about integers, division of integers, and we studied some properties of division. Is it? And there is some homework for you, and please write your homework in your notebook and complete. Can we conclude our class? Okay, thank you. I wish you a good day.